Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel all about do-it-yourself concrete decor. And thank you so much for your support. It's been amazing to see the community here growing. Today's project is a little bit experimental, full of trial and error, but I'm excited to share it with you.
I'll be making a lightweight concrete shelf inspired by the beautiful art of Gzhel, a traditional Russian blue and white folk painting.
I already had some experience working with concrete shelves, but this time I wanted something much lighter. Concrete can be very heavy, so I got inspired by lightweight foam concrete blocks. You might have seen them used in construction.
For my project, I needed 7 square panels, each measuring 20 centimeters, all identical to make building easier. To make the panels, I mixed crushed styrofoam, sand, cement, and water. I'll be honest, working with this material is tricky. Ideally, you should use small uniform foam bits and mix them very thoroughly, preferably with a mixer. Since I used random sized foam pieces and mixed by hand, some parts of my panels ended up a bit fragile, and I had to reinforce them later by applying an extra layer of concrete. Once everything dried, I connected the panels into 3 main shapes plus an extra piece.
Overall, I'm very happy with the weight and basic structure, but it definitely was more work than I expected.
I started by building the first tire.
At this point, I realized that I didn't want both tires to be the same height. It just didn't feel right.
I broke down some of the panels to make the second tire shorter. This also gave me a good idea of how fragile the foam concrete mix is right after curing. It probably would have been stronger if I had let it cure for a few weeks. To join everything together, I used a ready-made tile adhesive mix. It's lightweight but super strong. Next, I smoothed the surface, first using a spatula, then switching to brush and a little water, which helped create a softer finish.
And yes, please ignore this random mint color. I was testing a new pigment.
Once dry, I started painting. First, I covered the entire shelf with white acrylic paint to create a clean base. Then, I added blue floral patterns inspired by Gzhel art.
Gzhel is a traditional Russian craft that dates back to the 14th century, but iconic blue and white ceramics that we know today starting in the 19th century.
It's famous for its delicate floral and folky patterns, roses, birds, leaves, all hand-painted in vibrant shades of cobalt blue on a pure white background. Of course, I'm not a Gzhel master. My painting is more of a free interpretation, just inspired by the style. And that's totally okay. Creativity should be fun, not stressful.
Even though the process was long and frustrating, the result is really lightweight and charming. Still, I probably wouldn't rush to make another one.
And here's the finished shelf. What do you think? Would you try a lightweight concrete project like this? Let me know your thoughts in comments below. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.